Our favourite celebs sure do like to get into a cheeky little Twitter spat or 10, don't they? There was that time Khloe Kardashian started one epic Twitter feud with Amber Rose over her sister Kylie Jenner. Former flame of Kanye, Amber, called Kylie a baby in an interview when talking about her relationship with Tyga, and Khloe was having none of it. Miss K tweeted, among other things, "Please stop talking about us in interviews, mama. None of us talk about you." Ooh, burn. We might as well stick with that whole Kardashian-Rose thing. Kim's man Kanye went on one almighty tweet rant at Wiz Khalifa, who just so happens to be Amber's ex, by the way. You keeping up with this? There is more people involved with this than an episode of Game of Thrones, isn't there? Well, Kanye thought that Wiz had referred to Kim in a tweet, and he literally went wild with one massive rant, which also just so happened to involve a lot of convo about his brand new album, Waves. Convenient. We can never get this next incredible spat out of our brains. Zayn, Naughty Boy and Louis Tomlinson honestly blew our minds, and we loved every single second of it. After leaving 1D and breaking zillions and billions of hearts, Zayn was pictured with Naughty Boy in the studio, and NB tweeted a pic of them saying, "Replace this." Louis couldn't hold his tongue, obviously leading to him and Naughty Boy having a spat that would conquer all spats. And then Zayn tweeted Mr. Boy saying, "You fat joke, stop pretending we're friends, no one knows you." Oh, and then Liam destroyed a piñata with Naughty Boy's face on it on stage. Okay, breathe. What even just happened there? Zayn has since gone on his Todd with his Monster Smash pillow talk featuring Taylor Swift's bestie Gigi. This didn't stop him from having a little pop at Swiftie, of course, insinuating that she was lazy. Her man Calvin wasn't best pleased, having a little pop right back at him. This all resulted in Zayn basically calling Mr. Harris an old man. Oh, kids. Finally, talking of Miss Swift, who seems to always be involved in a spat to some degree, do you remember where you were when the Twitter nightmare between two pop totties happened? Nicki Minaj was upset about Taylor's Bad Blood nomination at an award show, and she tweeted with a lot of emojis, "If your video celebrates women with very slim bodies, you will be nominated for Vid of the Year." Then Taylor posted this and said maybe a man took Nicki's slot. Oh, girls, it all then kicked off and resulted in Tay-Tay inviting Nick on stage with her. Don't know about you, but we are exhausted. Twitter spats, eh? We wouldn't have it any other way.